Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new presentation model and physical renderer files and explain you about what the lines in these files mean. So I have a dummy file here, a presentation model, and I have a presentation physical renderer file also. So let's look at what each line means here. The outermost section here, uh, before the actual file is loaded, I'm checking whether any other presentation model has the same name as the one that I'm creating. For example, I have test P model. So if there are any test P models registered with Siebel app facade, then do not execute this. This will help us in avoiding conflicts. I create a file with test P model and someone else creates a file with test P model. The system will not understand which file to execute, which file to run. So it will create a loop or it will create a redundancy in the application. So to avoid that, we will declare one line here, a wrapper saying if the same name is not present anywhere, run this. So now when there are no test P models registered, I will give my present file this name. Namespace is nothing but a unique name identifier that we give to this particular class so that it can be referenced. So after this, we define our Siebel custom testpmodel.js file. We provide the dependencies here. For example, along with this file, any other extra files needs to be loaded. This is actually an include statement as in Java or C++. When we create a new class, we include say mathio.sh or some other classes, some other functions. So this is the include statement in JavaScript here. So now I am declaring the actual test P model, what it actually contains. I am extending the P model class uh, presentation model. I'm extending the presentation model class and creating this test P model. So test P model is the child of presentation model. I'm doing this for a form applet, so I'm extending it for presentation model. If it's a list applet, it's list presentation model. So here I'm calling the init function in test P model. So it has this structure to have init and setup methods. So in init function, I'm saying I'm calling the superclass that is the presentation model class and saying init. That means I'm initiating everything that the presentation model class is doing. I'm doing the same here for setup. So this is the basic structure to start with in for creating a new presentation model. Similarly, for physical renderer, I declare I'll check for the same namespace. I'll declare the namespace. I'll define the function. I will write the actual function, what it does, what it extends. Here I am doing it for a form applet, so I extend physical renderer file. If it's a list applet, I'll extend jQuery renderer file. So I'm calling all its superclass functions, and these are all the available vanilla functions that physical renderer can call. So now this file is doing nothing. So we'll add our extra customizations or um, or functionality to these files and see how it works. I'll start with an example in my next video. Thank you.